Hey everyone! Welcome back to 3D Print Sensei. Today we are talking about support filaments. We will explore the pros and cons of support filaments versus using regular filament for support. And here's a sneak peek. There are ways to get around some of the cons. Stay tuned till the end to get the bonus tip. Let's delve into it. Why do I need support? Support filaments helps us to print complex geometries, for instance, models with arches or bridges. These exciting features, known as overhangs, have one challenge. They can droop or collapse during printing without proper support, just like their large counterparts. This is where support filaments come in. They act like a temporary scaffolding, holding up these unsupported areas during the printing process. The advantages of support filaments. Support filament opens up a world of creative possibilities, unlocking complex prints. With support filaments, you can print intricate designs with overhangs, bridges, and cavities that would be difficult or impossible otherwise. Enhanced print quality. Support filaments prevent sagging and warping in unsupported areas, leading to smoother, sharper features and a higher quality overall finish. Streamlined post-processing. Support filaments are often designed to be water-soluble, like PVA, and break away easily, like HIPs, making removal much simpler and less likely to damage the final print. This saves time and effort. Disadvantages of support filaments. Cost factor. Support filaments are typically more expensive than standard printing filaments. This adds to the overall cost of the project. Dual extrusion requirement. Utilizing dedicated support material often necessitates a printer with dual extruders, which increases the initial investment and complexity of the printer itself. Waste generation. Using separate support material inevitably creates additional waste, which occurs mainly due to switching between the support filament and the regular filament while printing. Potential for surface damage. Removing support material can sometimes leave marks or imperfections on the surface of the printed object, especially on delicate features. Using regular filament as support. Now, let's compare this to using the same type of filament you're using for the print as support. Advantages. Lower cost. Using the same material for support and the print means there is less switching between filaments. This in turn minimizes waste and cost. Disadvantages. Removal nightmare. While removing support filaments may leave marks and imperfections, support structures printed with the same filament as the main print can be a nightmare to remove cleanly, often requiring tools. Surface damage risk. Removing non-dedicated support can easily leave marks or imperfections on the print, especially with delicate features, and can potentially damage the finished print. Conclusion. It's important to note that not all printers, like many non-bamboo lab models, have dual extrusion capabilities. Dual extrusion, when used with dedicated support filaments, offers significant advantages such as smooth, high-quality finish, minimal post-processing, and lower risk of damage. However, the higher cost of support filament and potentially needing a dual extrusion printer raise the question: is it worth it? It's important to consider the additional cost, printer requirements, and potential for surface imperfections before deciding if it's the right approach for your project. And as I mentioned here as a bonus, some slicers allows the use of support filaments only for the interface to the 3D model. This means that while the majority of the support is printed with the cheaper base filament, only the interface between the support and the actual 3D model will be the support filament. This allows the support to retain the bonuses of the support filament and still retain the minimal waste and cost bonuses of the base filament. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions about support filaments or 3D printing in general, feel free to ask. Please like this video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell. This is 3D Print Sensei. Thank you for watching.